everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I'm going to do a really simple midwinter potting project. Now, I went to the local North Carolina Nursery Landscape Association trade show last week called Green and Growin', and I ran into my friends at Star Roses, and they sent me home with one of their new rose varieties. This is called Petite. So this is like a knockout rose, except everything on it is significantly smaller. And I'm really excited to give it a try. Let's see, what do they say about it? Full sun, hardy zones 5 to 10. Habit petite, mature plants are 18 inches tall. Well, I'm always excited to try a new to me plant, and here it is. Now, obviously this was probably in a greenhouse because it's blooming and the colder weather has made some of the new growth get a little bit crispy, but that's all right. I'm gonna put it in this container. I'm gonna grow it in my driveway over there in full sun with easy access to a hose. And then as I get the new property developed, I'll find a place to put it permanently. But for the winter, growing in a pot is the right choice. So the planting process is super simple. I'm gonna use my favorite compost, soil cube. Just gonna fill this container up, slip this in towards the back, and then I did find one very small container of seed, and this is a wheat, Triticum turgidum rivet wheat, a rare type of ancient wheat. So I'm gonna put that into the sort of surrounding area and make this a combo pot. Well, not my usual tool for opening soil cube, but effective nevertheless. And another cool thing I got at the trade show was this great soil scoop from Soil Cube. And I am just gonna, I was afraid this soil might be frozen. It's very cold, but not quite frozen. So I'm just gonna fill this up. And I never mix my soil cube with anything. I have found that this really is the answer to straight soil cube in the ground or in containers. And the nice thing is in the winter, it holds a lot of moisture, so you don't really have to water and you don't have to fertilize, especially through the winter season. All right, got that kind of halfway full. Go ahead and slip this out of its pot, get it oriented, bury it just a little bit like that. Keep that tag with it, and then I'll compensate with a little bit more soil, just like you do anytime with potting. All right, now I'm gonna scatter the rare ancient wheat seeds right into this opening. And long term, the wheat might grow taller than the knockout, and so this will end up being the back and the rose will be the front. Now I'm just gonna cover that seed up with some more compost. And I now have a new winter interest container for my driveway. All right, well, you can tell where the cats like to hang out. And we've got that pot sitting here on the driveway in full sun. It has easy access to water. And generally speaking, I'll water these pots, I don't know, once a week in the winter season. It really depends on, how sunny it is and if we do get rain or snow. But the bottom line is it's sited here with easy access to water, and that's really the critical part. So I look forward to sharing updates with you on this little container rose project in my weekly garden tours, so be sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, everybody. That sun is really bright.